Yeah, yeah. You're like, you got the camera. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
How you doing today?
I'm doing
Stay
good.
warm.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Stay
man.
warm, okay?
Thank you so
Have
much.
A good one.
Now this goes off. You got this. Wow. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, shit. Why not? Beautiful day out here, I say. Let me not talk too much so you guys can enjoy it. So even then, right. The areas that I can without it being drug baited. Alright, fellas. That's the thing. When they see that, people respect it. It's not like, oh yeah, if anything, they're like, you out here doing it for real. Normally this be rats. So many rats. Everybody outside has a community except me. Because I don't have any responsibility. You're not in there, bro. What's that? You're not in the picture.
Don't worry.
Okay, okay. I was like, you're not in. People be out here tripping. And when niggas in there, you're not in it, bro. Like, he like, no, it's fine. I'm like, word. Jesus, look at this shit, though. Oh, this shit gets you tired, bro. Yeah. Oh, jeez. It's not real if you're not walking in the fucking snow. If you just, if all your sidewalks are cleared and you just out here walking in the sidewalk and it's already clear, you're not really getting that experience. You need to get those bunches of snow, those little couple of bunches that's still out, them patches of sidewalks that's still out there. Yeah, you need that. Like right here, thank God. Oh boy, but that shit across the street, that over there, whoo. Oh, that right there, that's lethal. That made me I'm about to eat this chicken, eat this mojito, and I'm about to take a nap. Yeah, I just feel like people in the Bronx is a little weirder. They're gonna be like, I've had a couple of people like, don't put me on, you got me on camera? And I'm like, see, I ain't even pointing the camera at people, so now I'm pointing the camera at people. I'm good. She got me tired though. I only been walking for 4 minutes. Oh shit. Whew. This is crazy. Cause it's not fucking. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Good. Yeah. Doing your thing.
Yeah, good.
YouTube.
Ah, you do en vivo.
Sí.
Al inmigrante que no venga a coger lucha.
Good luck, bro. Holy shit. Nobody outside. Oh, what street are we on? Can't ever find out the street. Why not? Right. Well, you probably like, but when you see that contraptment with the phone, you gotta know he's doing something. Something with the new age. That's some new age generation shit. Yeah, some shit you just don't understand. But when I get older, yeah, I'd rather just slide It's nasty out here. High Bridge, Ogden Avenue. High Bridge, Ogden Avenue. And that's all I'm gonna do. Just put High Bridge, Ogden Avenue. Right, well, they're gonna look at it a lot differently from what I am. I'm just outside. They're supposed to be looking at the people inside their homes. Holy shit. That's like a foot of snow on that shit. God damn. Jesus Christ. Bro, that's a lot of fucking snow. it's just like a it's like a foot of snow on every fucking car, bro. That shit is crazy, bro. I've never seen no shit like that, bro. The fuck? Look at this shit, bro. Oh yeah, I gotta get this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the footage that I'm gonna start it off with. Yeah, this is gonna be the footage I'll start it off with. This is good. This is good footage. Okay. It's like, no, that shit is really on here. This is the shit. It's like a foot of fucking snow on that shit. Oh God, she outside is crazy. I don't know how. She got the right shit on though. Right. She don't even know who I am, which is good. She got that hustle though. I respect that. I hate her. Cause I like her. And I hate her for that. Right. And she know that shit. She like, oh wait. Hey, with all that shit that she got on her face is crazy. Hey. But she too young and pretty for that shit. But she know that shit. She know that she's like, she knows she can get away with shit. That motherfucker from New York, for real. Then when she get around me, she always like gentle. She's like real gentle with me. She's like, thank you, I love you. And I'm like, I don't know what that shit means. Well, those are my true thoughts. I'll bear them to the world. Lo and behold, the city is outside. Does she just look? Yeah, she looks bad now. She does. Should I go down that road? I'm gonna come up this way. Plus it's locked. I can't go over there. I have to walk over here. York is the resilient people outside in any type of inclement damn weather. Oh, I got inspired her. Did she really get me first? Did she take a picture of me? People are weird. Because I don't know. I don't give a fuck. It's like she took a picture of me. But maybe she took a picture of me to be like, look, people were out live streaming. Right, well she's like, oh no, it's not like that. It's not. Right, where it's like it's a good picture. Like, yeah, she didn't disrespect me picture. Cause I didn't put her on this shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like I kept walking. But like she might have took a picture just to be like, huh. Right, she didn't get my face. It's not like she knows who I am. She can see my makeup, my build. He has these green shoes on. But at the end of the day, that's why she took the picture. But she might have just took a picture of everything. Just to say, wow. And there was a guy live streaming. Right, where I'm a part of her landscape picture. I'm a part of her content. So she took the picture. I inspired her to take the picture. Could be wrong. But God damn it, I would love to have been right. Oh, and I just put that on here. Because, yeah, I don't know why she took a picture of me. But maybe I'm a part of her content. Hopefully I am. Oh, she almost have lost her dog out here.
This is ridiculous. I hate snow. This shit is more than fucking 2 fucking feet.
Yeah, it is. She's so mad. This shit is good though. And that completes it here.